Owning a truck goes far beyond the purchase price. Hidden costs can erode your profits if you're not prepared. From depreciation to downtime, fuel inefficiency to insurance, these unseen expenses add up quickly. But with the right planning and the right partner, you can minimize these costs and protect your investment. Pomona Road Truck Sales helps you buy better, with high-quality used trucks that retain value, and expert servicing that prevents costly breakdowns. We offer trailer rentals, quality spares, manufacturing, and even compliance-ready inspections, so you're never left exposed. Owning a truck is a long-term commitment, but it doesn't have to be a financial drain. Let Pomona Road Truck Sales help you reduce costs and keep your wheels turning. Visit pomonaroadtrucks.co.za or talk to our team today. One truck, one partner, total peace of mind.